In the heart of a vast meadow, where the wind danced freely and the sunsets painted the skies in burning gold, lived a small quail named Luna. She wasn't special because of her feathers or her song, but because of something few could see. She dreamed of the sky beyond the mountains, while hawks, crows, and kingfishers were content with their world around the swamp. Luna would often gaze at the distant mountain range, where the horizon met the clouds. Stories whispered of a place beyond, the endless sky, a land of color, freedom, and possibility. "One day, I'll fly there," Luna whispered to her mother. The others laughed. "You, a quail flying across mountains," mocked the kingfisher. "Look at those stubby wings," said the old hawk. "Be satisfied with what you have. It's safe here," warned the crow, and for a time, Luna doubted herself, the stranger in the storm. One stormy night, thunder echoed across the fields, and rain poured like never before. In the middle of it all, a northern diver, a sleek, foreign bird, crashed into the grass near Luna's nest, injured and trembling. The others stayed away. He was a stranger, but Luna approached quietly, bringing seeds, sheltering him with her wings, and whispering comfort. When he finally opened his eyes, the diver asked, "Why did you help me?" "Because everyone needs someone to believe in them, especially when they're weak," Luna replied. The diver was moved. Before he departed, he told Luna about the lands beyond the mountains, places where even the smallest birds could soar, not because of strength, but because of faith in their flight. He gave Luna a gift, a blue feather, tinged with scorched black. "This is from when I flew through fire. Let it remind you, you have more inside you than anyone can see." The journey begins. At dawn, when mist still hugged the earth, Luna tied the feather to her leg with a blade of grass. She packed a few seeds into a curled leaf and, without telling anyone, set off toward the mountains. The wind was cold, the climb steep. Several times, Luna tumbled from the sky. Once, she landed hard on a rocky ledge, tears spilling from her eyes. "I was foolish to believe," she whispered. "Maybe I was never meant to fly so far." But just then, the blue feather fluttered in the breeze, catching a ray of morning light. It shimmered, fire dancing within it, and Luna remembered, "No one can fly for you. Only belief lifts your wings." She stood, bruised but stronger, and leapt again into the sky, the endless sky. Days passed. Luna hid in hollow branches by day and flew under stars by night. She drank from frozen brooks and took shelter behind stones. Then, one morning, she rose above the final ridge, and the sky opened up. A golden valley stretched before her, rivers shining like silk, forests bursting with color, birds singing unfamiliar songs. Here, no one laughed at her size. No one asked how she got there. They listened and they marveled at the scorched feather and the courage of a bird so small, who crossed mountains alone, carrying nothing but belief. A new voice, a new nest. Many seasons later, Luna returned home. The meadow was the same. The old hawk still perched on his branch. The kingfisher still chattered near the swamp. But when Luna landed, they didn't recognize her. Her eyes glowed with calm fire. Her presence felt like wind before rain. Quiet, but powerful. "You who came back?" the crow asked in disbelief. Luna nodded. "And I've brought stories." Soon, young birds gathered around her nest each night, wide-eyed, listening to tales of hidden skies, stormy peaks, and the power that lies within. Her nest sat atop the tallest grass, where she could always see the horizon, and just below it, the blue feather swayed gently in the wind, a quiet symbol of what's possible when a little bird dares to believe. And whenever a young quail doubted themselves, Luna would smile and say, "You don't need the biggest wings. You just need the deepest belief. The world may tell you what you can't do, but only you can decide what you will do. Because in the end, the greatest power in the world is the power within."